How are you today? Getting ready for college? I know the feeling. Let's see what questions you have about getting ready for college. A tip for an organized college search. All right. Before you get to college, you need to do a lot of work and research to know exactly what kind of college you're applying to. And that really depends on what you want to study in that college. Do some research and know what kind of programs they offer so you can pick the college that will help you achieve your career in the future. You can also get ready for college by knowing their admissions requirements. What is necessary for your application? Your GPA is very important. College admission scores, whether it's the SAT or the ACT, is very important. You're going to need some letters of recommendation, some experience, whether through work or volunteer work, and you'll also want to make note of the location of the college. Are you applying in-state or out-of-state? Once you do your research, you'll know exactly what you need to apply, and you'll be good to go. All the best.